What better way to end a lemon-themed week than to make some pretty candles and to answer some of your most frequently asked questions about how I make these. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so the first question I got often was where I got my candles. I got mine at Michael's, but you could get them at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, any craft store. The next question was my little iron. I got mine at Walmart. It's a cute little steaming iron. It's adorable, super cheap, and it was one of the best things I've ever bought. Another question is my napkins. I usually get them at Hobby Lobby, but you can get them at Dollar Tree, Michael's, all the things. Next, wax paper or parchment paper. First question was, listen, there is no difference between the Dollar Tree wax paper and regular. Okay, I'm just letting you know that now. All right, so I do the napkin down to 1 ply. I measure it and I cut out what, however long or wide your candle is. I just cut it out. Done. Then I wrap the napkin around our candle. Ta-da. And look at how close I got this time. What? I know. Now we're going to use parchment paper first because, again, this was a question of whether you should use one or the other. So I make sure that my ends are together the way I want. There are no wrinkles in the napkin. And then I wrap the parchment paper around, just like we did with the wax paper. We're going to wrap it around the candle. And I'm trying to get it really close and really tight. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm going to take my iron and I'm going to iron it. Now listen, this part is doubled. So this could be one reason why I didn't have an issue. But I'm going to tell you right now, the parchment paper was awesome. Like, look, you see how much I'm doing? Like, look at that. I did do the 1 ply just to show the difference. I did not get nearly as much wax on my little iron than I usually would with the wax paper. Like, look I'm going over it and over it and over it, and there wasn't much wax at all. And the other bonus thing that happened was the parchment paper comes right off. So if you're seeing this for the first time, you're going to iron it all the way around, right? But look it just comes right off of that parchment paper. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, I love it so much. This lemon napkin I got from Hobby Lobby, and I love it. All right, another question. Where did I get my little sanding block? This is from Dollar Tree. It's a regular sanding block, but it came with a handle. Can you believe that? I love it. I'm so excited about it. I sand off the top of the napkin just because I'm never perfect with how I measure it. And there it is. Here's the second one, and I'm going to use the wax paper and I'm going to show you the difference. Again, I didn't measure the length of the, or the width, whatever, but same process. I wrapped it in wax paper and I'm going to go around in same process. And it got my iron, like look at my iron. I have to keep wiping it off. It's messy, but we're still, look at this is when we go to take the wax paper off. It just completely adhered, which it makes sense. It's wax. It's going to do that. And it's not the end of the world. It didn't rip my napkin off. It took just a second. But if you're looking at the differences between parchment paper and wax paper, I'm a fan of the parchment all day long. This is also another way you can use the bottom. Instead of sanding, I just put my wax paper or parchment paper over the bottom and then just iron it again. But I like sanding the top. Ta-da! Look at how pretty they are. Now, the other question was burning it. Can you burn it? Now, remember, we made these candles. This is the first time I did the ironing with these candles. So I figured I'd light one and let it go. I don't normally burn candles. I let this puppy go for hours and hours and hours. Excuse me. I let it go for so long, and it was fine. It was fine. But again, if you're going to burn the candle, make sure you do it with care. That's all. All right. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.